Hey, I'm Manu, I'm 24 years old. I really wanted to travel the world, so that's what I made my dream. And when I finished high school, I first went to work, then I traveled. I came back and I first wanted to become a teacher, but then I decided I want to follow my passion and want to study tourism. And I'm now in my third year of the Bachelor of Science tourism. It's a collaboration of two universities, so Breda University Applied Sciences and Wageningen University did a joint bachelor's degree. So I did choose for the scientific degree because I also wanted to have hands-on experience, so I found that this program is really giving a bit best of it all, because the first 2 years are here in Breda and you really live in the tourism environment with the hotel students and the tourism students, and then in the last year you go more into the University of Wageningen, where you have a lot more academic people. Study program because, well, I always wanted to follow the passion of traveling, and I also wanted to do something with sustainability. So I found this program that combines social, environmental and economic aspects, which makes the study program a bit more sustainable, as well as small-scale education. We are in a class of 30 people, so there's not a lot of people there, and that's the reason why I looked for programs in the Netherlands, as they offer international programs, English speaking, and also more small-scale than in Germany, for example, or France. About the contact with the lecturers, it's actually pretty nice that we have the lecturers of both the Breda University and Wageningen University, and both of those lecturers are really accessible. It's really nice that we can have so much feedback as well. We have a lot of meetings, and in class they take their time to explain things, which is really important for courses as statistics, for example, so you really get an explanation and you're not stuck there alone. What do I want to do after my studies? That's a very good question. So right now I'm doing my minor and I'm very tempted at doing a master's. Probably doing a master's in organic farming systems, but before doing a master's I want to follow my passion again and travel. And in the end I want to do something freelancing, combining tourism with organic farming. An advice I would give to prospective students is to choose well what you study. I do also think it's good to take your time and just investigate what you really want to do and then go for it. And I absolutely recommend this university, because I don't know if you can see the surroundings. We are right now filming in an old monastery, so it is very special and I do like that a lot. So I found the study program in Breda University Applied Sciences through the Wageningen website, but if you want to find more about orientation possibilities, just go to the website of buas.nl/myroadtobuas.